Ang daming nangangarap na basketball player. Pero sad to say, sabi nga ni Coach Potit, nakita ko to sa I Am Baller Reload, basketball dream is not for everyone. Maybe you can use basketball for you to be successful in another career. Ang daming basketball players na hindi naging pro pero nag-ibang bansa o nagnegosyo, yumaman sila. You can use basketball as a stepping stone for you to be a successful entrepreneur. Yung iba nga, they used basketball for their political careers. Diba? Diba? Oh, it's not, hindi kailangan basketball lang. Sometimes basketball is the way for you to be successful in another journey. So, enjoy basketball.